Okay, simulan natin sa maganda at mapayapang laban. Okay, class ng mga pogi, pump. Alam nyo ba na bumalik na yung pump? Balik na sa labi. Diyan tayo guys. Baka ayaw mo yung Man.
Watch out. K9 unit incoming. Fight for life.
Snipe tayo ngayon guys. Ang kalaban natin, literal na baguan eh. Wala eh, low rank eh. Wala na malupit na kalaban eh. Nagpa-legendary ka dapat.
Almost ready.
Ah, Mother. Kanang kalokohan, Jonas. Takbo ka ng takbo. RC. Wait, chopper si Sunny.
Here.
Okay, eto na ang pogi. Makakatikim na ng arse. Okay guys, calm your putoy-toy. Eto na po. Guys, we are using the new device guys. So we are adjusting. As you can see, the only way to practice this shit. Really, come on, get that shit.
Here.
Nope. 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 Nope.
Stupid. Very easy.
A full-fledged tank has dropped.
Nope. Nope.
Chip.
Nope. Nope.
Airdrop has been delivered. Half of the team are eliminated. The
Iba yung
last
sense ko, in-adjust ko kasi. Taray.
Nope. 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 Nope.
Eh. Yeah, snipers.
Nope. Nope.
airdrop has been delivered.
Nope.
Piece of maggots. Kaka-adjust ko lang kasi ng sense guys. Hayaan nyo, pag nakapa ko tong sense ko sa sniper, in-adjustan ko kasi na sample yung sense ko. Kakakabahan yan.
Nope. 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 Nope.
Ikaw ha, you want my pumping skills ha? I think I'm a sniper main. I think I'm a sniper main guys. next. Hindi man lang ako pinagpapawisan dito ah. Guys, gusto nyo ba guys mag-content tayo ng ano, ng mga clips galing sa Torna? Hindi kasi ako nag-clips ng stream, Torna. Kasi kaya lang naman ako hindi nag-content ng kasi masyado kang racing. Literal na lamang ka palagi. So, good sa tenga ah.
Nope. 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 Nope.
Teka kanya. Bidya ka eh. Sniper ko to. No. Huwag kayo magpatayan. 30 kills.
Teams left. Getting
Sayang. Umabot ng 30. Nice. Di ba lang ako pinagpawisan? Bago talaga sa sensei ng sniper. Masyado mabilis.
Holy fire, shut them down and do the holy things. Holy fire, shut them down and do the holy things. Do the holy things.